damn way. Jumping out too damn fast. You gotta jump out that fast. It's glitter everywhere. Make them do a college. Yeah. It's you. You want all this mess.
So over here I had Dale and Jerry put together. I had to remove the bottom one because it hit this. And then this right here is not small enough to fit. So I wasn't gonna be, but I'm gonna be that girl who gets the organizers for their laundry detergent, scent bombs, all that type of stuff, so that it can fit on here.
Like, you trying to make the whole damn house
I got this done.
Like, that's not okay.
And then while I'm shopping,
You're gonna be right up here.
sometime this
You
weekend,
can't be doing this.
I'm going to see
Right.
if I can
Okay.
find stuff to fill here. I'm really lost when it comes to that.
I don't know what you be
But
kicking
yeah,
so
I'm just
hard
gonna
for,
be
because you don't be covering up
I
nothing.
have my wagon full of stuff to take back home.
At this
I got
point,
rid
I
of
think
this
you just
and took this
confused.
whole box out, which I was really happy about. And then y'all, let me show you.
If you don't know, understand the
I
assignment.
put everything in there that goes
Okay.
with my closet. Here's
The
bathroom stuff.
assignment is
And
for you to cover that
this is
shit
her.
up,
This is she.
and then
For a few years, and they just no, I don't like his pillows, and he doesn't either. So we need these 2.5 hours, I think, maybe 3. And I have so much stuff. I got us toothpicks for the bathroom. That's what we're gonna do next. Got me cotton rounds. I got 3 because I always feel like I'm running out of cotton rounds in my toner. Got us this adhesive mat to put in the drawer because those seasons keep moving. Got some mouthwash. I got us a big thing of trash, 120, because I'm the type of person I don't like to keep going back to the grocery store, especially for stuff like this. So this should last us months. Got us Q-tips, a thing of toothbrushes. That's something
I
that
mean,
goes in the
some stuff on the beauty supplies, like
should have tried this
ponytails
blue
and
medium pillows. And we can have start with new pillows. Got
some hair gel.
white towels.
Some like heart beats.
White towels. I need to clean these from Ross.
As soon as I get a chance, I'm gonna do something to my head. I just ain't had a chance. So.
But this is for the stickers. So well, I'll show you guys where to put it. But this is for our like home cooking spatula and stuff. I'm just gonna leave it right
So
here.
that's
because
gonna have to wait,
I just feel
baby.
like there was so much black, and I feel like this once the stickers off, it'll add to here. Also from Target, a gray towel, just like a white one is inside of it's gray. Here's the other gray towel. So we got 6. So we're 2 for guests and the rest for us. I got us some Thomas
like $8, bitch.
Real quick. And then I'm going to a tea party tomorrow, and I didn't really have a dress for it. And my friend told me think girly and like florally, so I got this like cute floral dress. I went to Marshall's because I was looking for a toilet brush, and Ross had one that I liked, but it was broken. I'm glad I saw that. So I got this one from Marshall's. This is so sleek and skinny, which I really love because who wants to use a toilet brush when they go to the bathroom anyway? 35 for a liquor package. So
I swear. I don't have no tripod right now. I don't. I'm trying to keep y'all, you know, in the loop with me, but I don't have my equipment set up the way it needs to be set up right now. I don't. So, yeah, and I'm, you know, it's hard. It makes things hard, you know, trying to include y'all in the loop when, you know, things ain't, you know, the way they need to be, you know. So, you know, I'm just cleaning up as usual. Y'all know what I do. I ain't really been feeling like doing nothing for the last couple of days. I just been feeling like, but when I look at my plants and stuff and how they doing, my tulips are opened up. I gotta show y'all that too. Like,
so I'm just gonna throw this over our couch.
look at the tulips and the honeydew million plants, y'all. The tulips are opened up. Ain't they pretty? They pretty. Oh, look at my babies, que linda. Oh, look at all of my plant babies. My babies. Oh, I gotta get her some water. I almost forgot. But yeah, the babies are doing just fine. Okay, so I was watering the plant that's like, you know, that hangs up on the wall, and apparently I put too much dirt in that plant the last time when I replanted all the plants. And so when I put the water in there, or the water rolled out of the plant onto my shears, and I tried to wipe it, that just made the dirt look worse. Look at that. The fuck, look. Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah. So after I do the dishes and stuff, I will be taking these down to wash them because, yeah, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. That is not gonna work. Yeah, so now I gotta figure out what's inside this sink that's clogging my drain. And to do that, I have to get everything out of the sink. Storage is a big problem here because I don't hardly have any cabinet space. I'm thinking of some kind of storage solutions, but I don't want it to be anything that's like wide open. I got a mop, the dishes, like, I don't know, I just been in a slump for the past 2-3 days. I've been doing stuff just like taking my time with it, I just ain't been really feeling like doing that, but, you know, all that shit got an expiration date because stuff got to get done because, you know, the fudge. Mike can't get it all done in the same day, but I will get it done. Believe that, because I can't. Ooh, that was slippery. Okay, so I put my hair in this little afro puff. And yeah, the dishes are done. I'm finna take that curtain down and put it in the washing machine and wash it because I can't stand to look at that dirt like on my curtains. And yeah, and then I'm gonna mop my floors and I will talk to y'all in a little while. Who knows what else I'm gonna do. Bye.